SMTP error 421.4.7.0 is not just another email issue, it's a silent threat. This temporary rejection can disrupt your online communication entirely. When your email encounters this error, imagine a mail server saying, "Not now, but maybe later." Yet, if you ignore the warning signs, it may turn into a permanent block. A decline in your sender reputation directly influences email deliverability. Low engagement rates, bounces, and bad content turn your trusted emails into spam. Understanding what's causing SMTP error 421.4.7.0 is crucial, whether it's suspicious activity, poor list hygiene, or failing authentication. These factors can weigh heavy on your deliverability. To combat this error, enhance your email practices, maintain a clean list, and ensure compliance with authentication protocols. Achieve consistent success and deliver your emails effectively.